Hey there! If you love the idea of a warm, inviting kitchen filled with character and charm, then you're in the right place. Today we're exploring rustic kitchen design ideas, from cozy wooden accents to country-inspired touches that bring comfort and style to your space. Let's get inspired. A rustic kitchen is all about creating a space that feels lived in and full of warmth. The heart of this design style is its natural earthy materials: wood, stone, and metal. Think exposed brick walls, reclaimed wood cabinets, and a large farmhouse sink. These features not only create a cozy vibe, but they also add an element of timeless charm. Wood is the foundation of rustic design. Whether it's reclaimed wood cabinets, a butcher block countertop, or wooden beams overhead, these natural textures create a grounded, earthy feel. Don't be afraid to mix different wood tones, light, dark, or weathered. They all add to the rustic charm and make the space feel warm and inviting. One of the hallmarks of rustic kitchen design is open shelving. It not only looks beautiful, but also makes your kitchen feel more spacious and accessible. Display your favorite vintage plates, mason jars, and farmhouse-inspired kitchenware. These little touches give the room personality and make it feel lived in, not just decorated. Another great way to embrace rustic design is by incorporating stone and brick elements. A stone backsplash or a brick feature wall can instantly transform your kitchen, adding texture and a bit of old-world charm. If you have the space, a stone fireplace as the centerpiece of your kitchen adds a cozy farmhouse feel that's perfect for those colder evenings. Bring in vintage appliances to complete your rustic kitchen. Think classic gas stoves, retro refrigerators, or even a freestanding range. These appliances add to the nostalgic feel, combining functionality with style. Plus, they often come in beautiful colors and finishes that make your kitchen stand out. Don't forget to incorporate cozy textiles. Think soft plaid curtains, linen cushions, and vintage-inspired tablecloths. These fabric choices soften the edges of a rustic kitchen, making it feel more homely and welcoming. Layering these textures adds warmth and makes the space feel inviting, whether you're cooking or enjoying a meal with family. Lighting plays a big role in creating that rustic, cozy atmosphere. Pendant lights over the kitchen island, a vintage chandelier above the dining area, or even a set of soft sconces on the walls can transform the vibe of your kitchen. Go for warm, amber lighting to create an intimate, rustic ambiance that's perfect for any gathering. Now that we've seen the key elements of rustic kitchen design, from wooden features and vintage appliances to cozy lighting and textiles, it's time to bring everything together. Create a space that feels like the heart of your home, full of warmth, character, and timeless charm. After all, the kitchen is where memories are made. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you're ready to give your kitchen a rustic makeover, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more home design inspiration. Until next time, happy decorating. Happy